In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now choose this plus at the bottom in the middle. And first of all, set up an hour. When you finished, hit repeat and tap on days of the week you wish to set up. Then hit OK. Choose sound. Tap on vibration at the top and either select none to disable them, tap on one of those patterns, or hit standard. When you're ready, go back and tap on music on device to pick any song from your smartphone as your new alarm one. Go back again. You can also just tap on any of those melodies. When you're ready, hit label to name your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and OK to save its name. Then hit ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Hit snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. And when you're ready, hit OK. Now to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick whatever you want to in the pop-up. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on this check mark to save your changes. To get rid of it though, click on it again, this time choose delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!